to the show where we do pretty much whatever we like. We bring to you whatever feels right to us on that particular day, right? Yes, indeed. It is a little bit windy this morning, but not too bad. But we got our Timmy's. We're good to go. Yeah, Timmy's is right up here on the right. Now we got to go to our customer. Yeah. We got till 6 o'clock tonight to get there. Right now it's about 10 to 11, so we got about 4 hours worth of driving to do. So I think we should be alright. Yeah. So let's get on out of here. Find our way back to the 401 and head towards our customer, right? But hey, I appreciate you guys tuning in. We already got our load off, like I said on yesterday's video. And that took them about 2 3/4 hours, I would say, until they had me offloaded. So that wasn't too bad. Could have been worse, right? But hey, here we are. Back at it again. So we got 4 hours of driving, like I said. I don't know how long it's going to take those guys to get me loaded over there. I remember having been there once, but it's been a while ago, so
take the entrance to the left on Highway 401
remember
West E401 West Kingston.
Exactly how long it would take them to get me loaded or whatever, you know. So not 100% sure of all that, but I just went and updated my website and got all that stuff done. So now all that's left to do is get on down to our customer, right? That's the goal. We'll see what happens. Hopefully they're ready for us and we can just back her into a dock right away and they'll have us loaded in a short time, right? That would be the ideal situation, but that almost never happens, right? Yeah, that almost never does happen, but wind has picked up a little bit. It's a cloudy day, as you guys can obviously see. So here we go. Let's hammer down and get to our customer, guys. Well, as you guys can see, we have finally gotten some sunshine. I like it. Although it is still very windy, it's nice though. It's starting to get in the plus side and stuff like that. But hey, some of the areas the snow is melting, so whenever we go under an overpass or whatever, sometimes we get some snow drift, or snow leaking off of the overpass or whatever. So we gotta wipe our windshield every once in a while, or when somebody passes us, then sometimes we get some spray on the windshield. But other than that, we're just cruising right on through here, and we're actually only about an hour away from getting to our customer right now. So I'm hoping it's not going to take too long to get loaded, but although I remember them taking it a little while, and I was just talking to another guy here as well that's been there, that works for the same company, and he was saying the same thing. He was there a few weeks ago and it took them a good while to get him loaded. So oh well, it is what it is, right? One day, you know, you get loaded real quick and the next day you don't. It's just part of trucking. Not every product is the same. Sometimes it takes all day to get loaded, and sometimes 20 minutes and they got you loaded or offloaded, right? I just wish it wasn't this windy, you know, then I could, you know, if it was going to take a while, fly my drone or something like that when I'm over there, but oh well, that's not going to happen today. Way too windy. Probably 30 miles an hour gusting winds up here. That's too windy. Alright guys, we have just gotten loaded here a few minutes ago. And wouldn't you believe it, 800 meters down the road, like half a mile down the road, there's a Flying J. So I went ahead and got in here to go ahead and scale this load and also fuel up. So I already taken care of all that. We got our fuel, we scaled our load, we're good to go. I kind of figured we were, because according to the load offer we were only 33,000 pounds, but when I actually scaled it, I don't know, it looked to me like I was heavier. I was 68,000 in the gross, so yeah, to me it feels a little bit heavier, but we'll see. Anyways, we got everything taken care of. If you're legal, we're 68,000 in the box, so we're good to go. So let's hammer down, get on down the road.
300 meters,
we got
turn right on Squires Beach Road.
5 hours and 22
In 200 meters,
minutes
turn right
remaining
on Squires Beach Road.
before we run out of our time. So I want to go up to Highway 1 to the next traffic light, I think, and then I want to go up to a highway down that way and get on the big road and get on down the road, right? Yeah, that's the plan anyways, so let's make it happen. I know that sun is probably blinding you guys, so I'll probably show you more down the road. Well guys, the day has come to an end. We had a good night's sleep again, and now it's the next morning already. We made it as far as Prairie Sound, Ontario, guys. Yeah, I don't know, today was one of those days where I just whatever didn't really find much interesting stuff to videotape, or didn't really have that desire to really create much of an interesting video. So I guess today is going to be a short vlog, but oh well. You know, I had to go offload my load, you know, so that took a couple of hours, and then went over and grabbed my loads. That takes a couple of hours over there and all that stuff. So here we are, you know, we made it up to Prairie Sound. I could have made it. Oh man, that beeping noise is always really annoying. I hate that on a Volvo. I wish they wouldn't have that stupid beeping noise. You know, they could still have the shut off thing on the lights, but don't have that loud beeping noise. Man, that's annoying. But anyways, here we are. We're done for today, or on this vlog anyways. We had a good night's sleep, like I said already. So yep, here go my lights. There we go. Now we got my lights back, and so we're gonna go ahead and get on out of here. We'll start a new vlog. Hopefully we'll have some good interesting shows to show you tomorrow. We will be crossing the South St. Marie Bridge here on tomorrow's vlog, so we might have some interesting clips over there. You never know, right? So stick around for that, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.